When you need to zoom in on your video, you can do it with OpenShot free video editor with keyframes. And in this lesson, I'll show you how in less than 3 minutes. For the finished effect, watch the preview window here and then we'll create it from scratch. So import your video from the plus sign, then drag it down to the timeline. Once you get it to the timeline, pull the playhead over to where you want the effect to start. If the view you have doesn't show the video properties, just right-click on the video, select Properties. Once you can see the properties, scroll down to where you can see Scale X and Scale Y. Right-click on Scale X and insert keyframe, and do the same for Scale Y. And note that the keyframe's been added to the timeline. Now move the playhead to where you want the effect to end. Go back to Scale X, double-click, change the value. I'm putting a 2 just to double the size. Do the same thing for Scale Y. You can see that another keyframe's been added to the video. Now we'll back the playhead up and play it through. And you can see that once the zoom goes in, it stays in. So we're going to add another keyframe so we can get it to zoom back out. So in this case, we want it to zoom back out. So just move the playhead and then you can add another keyframe by double clicking on Scale X, taking it back to 1. Do the same thing for Scale Y, taking it back to 1. We have our original size. Now when we play it through, this is the effect we get. We get a zoom in, and then it'll slowly zoom back out. And if you want it to zoom out slower, all you got to do is take this keyframe here and slide it further to the right, and it'll zoom even slower. If you want it to zoom faster, move that keyframe to the left. And that's how you create smooth zoom effects in OpenShot free video editor using keyframes. If this lesson helped you out, come back for more beginner-friendly tutorials. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.